Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to see Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your settings app. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on connections. Okay. Tap. After once done, go ahead over to your Wi-Fi section. Again, Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi right here. And then you'll be able to see all of your logged in Wi-Fi devices whenever you're near them. All right. So as you may have noticed, we have this cogwheel or settings icon. Well, just go ahead and tap on it. And then here we now have the password. So what you'll do next is just basically tap on the eye icon. Okay. So tap on it and a verification will be required, depending on how you set up your phone, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and scan my fingerprint. And here I now have my password. Now, let's say you forgot the password and you wanted to share it to somebody else. Well, you can go ahead and select the option, QR code or share network. Okay, the easiest one is QR code. So bring up the QR code, scan your fingerprint, and here we have the QR code. And that's how easy it is to see your Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.